Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on UMIDIGI G5 Tab. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Then click search and click install. Now you can click open and then click agree and continue, and now you can click cancel, then you can click not now, and here you can sign in into your Firefox account, or you can click not now and you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click not now again. Now you can click save and continue, and here you have to select your global placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.